Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to Smiley Kids channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to increase the font size in Python. Yes, we are able to see the text clearly now. In this video, we are going to use the print function and we will be seeing a few programs related to that. So let's get started. So let me give the values for A and B. A equal to 75, B equal to 5. Now I'll be using the print function. Print, in brackets we will be writing A plus B. Immediately when I press enter, it will give me the output instantly because it is in interactive mode. Yes, I'm gonna press enter. Here we go, we got the answer. A is 75 and B is 5. When we say print A plus B will be 75 plus 5, which is equal to 80. The output is released. So let me try out with the next operation. Let's take subtraction. So we have already assigned the values for A and B. So need not to type again. We have to now type print A minus B. When I press enter, immediately the answer will be released. Let's see. Yes, the output is 70. A is 75, B is 5. A minus B will be 75 minus 5, which is equal to 70. The output is 70. Now let's try out another operation. Let's try multiplication. Print A multiplied by B. Here we are using this sign. So do you think the answer will be given? Let's try out. Oh, we got syntax error. So this sign is not valid for multiplication of numbers. So we will be using another one. In brackets, we'll be writing A, this star symbol followed by B. Now let's try out. Will we get the answer? Oh yeah, we got the answer. So remember, don't use the actual multiplication symbol. Use the star one. What about division? Let's try out that as well. Print A divided by B. So here we are using this symbol. Do you think it is valid? Let's try out. No, it is not valid. Print A by B. This is the correct one. Let's try out by clicking on enter. Here we go. We got the right answer. That is 75 by 5, which gives us the answer as 15. So this is the interactive mode of Python in which we are getting the answers or outputs instantly. Let's try out another mode, that is the script mode. This is the interactive mode of Python. How to open the script mode? Go to File and click on New File. So this is the script mode of Python. Let's give the values of A and B first. A is 15 and B is 3. Now print A plus B. When I press enter, I don't get the answer immediately. I need to run the program. Before I click on run module, we have to first save this file. Once you click the run module, it will show you the option saying that source must be saved. Okay to save. So here I'm gonna save it right here. So here I got the answer in the interactive mode of Python, saying the answer as 18. So 15 plus 3 gives us the answer as 18. So in script mode of Python, we get the answers after running the module. Now I'll try another one. Print A minus B. I will run the module. I will save it. And here you go. I got the answer as 12. 15 minus 3 is 12, right? Now let's try out another operation. Print A multiplied by B. Use this symbol. Now again, I'm going to run the module. I got the answer as 45. 15 times 3 is 45, right? Now let me try out another operation, that is division. A by B. And again, I'm going to run the module. I will save it. And I got the answer as 5. Yes, 15 by 3 is 5. So in script mode of Python, we have to first run the module in order to get the output. Whereas in interactive mode of Python, we can get the outputs instantly.